Here's how to see your Google search history. Now let's open up a web browser. You can see I'm on my iPhone running Google Chrome, but you can be on an Android or a computer. You could be on Safari. It doesn't matter because we're just going to use google.com to do this. Now, once you're on a web browser on any device, at the very top right, you should be logged in. If you're logged in, tap on google.com or just type in google.com. Now from here, there are two different ways to be able to access your search history. The first one is you can tap on your profile picture at the very top right and then tap manage your account. This will take you to myaccount.google.com, or you can just from the get-go type in myaccount.google.com. Now, after you're there, of course, you need to log in to the correct account that you want to see and maybe delete that search history for. After you've done that, all you need to do is tap on data and privacy towards the top. This will show you all of your data that Google collects through YouTube, through Gmail, through Google Search, through Maps, all of that stuff. But we need to filter down to just the search history. So what we're going to do is scroll down and we're going to tap on web and app activity. Again, this is across a bunch of different platforms. You can see it says see an activity. It shows a bunch of different things, shopping, maps, all that. So we're going to tap on manage all web and app activity at the very bottom here. And now from here, let's just scroll down and tap on filter because we want to filter down to just Google search. So you can see I can tap on search here. And now I'm good to go. I can tap on the all-time button at the very top or just within the last day or whatever I want. Let's hit apply. Now I'll show you what this looks like. It says, all right, today I visited Google search and I searched for a variety of different things. If I wanted to delete any of that search history, I can just tap on the little X and it deletes that one. However, I assume you probably want to delete all of it. It's easy to delete all of it just by tapping on delete results at the very top right. And then you can just hit confirm and this will delete all of your search history. Keep in mind, again, you can just do it for the last day or a week and you can choose to auto delete it as well if you want.